Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and makeup lover. Today I'm going to be using the Musee Beauty Nude Palette. The artist is Dutch, so I looked up how to pronounce it because I had a feeling that when people say Van Gogh, that's not really how you pronounce it. And I think that it's pronounced Van Gogh. The G is pronounced like in Dutch, and the H on the end is silent. So that's rather challenging to say, but anyway. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a mix of mattes and shimmers, and I think the color story is really, really beautiful and very true to colors that the artist used in his paintings. And this is part of a continuation of their Impressionism collection. So far, all of their releases have been themed around that. And I'm also going to be using the lip glaze in the shade Saison. It's a beautiful peachy color, and as well as the lip sketch in the shade Pizarro. And this is more of a pinky mauve, but you can get them to blend together and look nice together. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm probably going to be popping in, I finally got some of the House Laboratories Identify eyeliner pencils, so I'm going to be popping one of those in the waterline. And yeah, this is actually not my first time using this palette. I did a monochromatic look with the sunflower color and the starlight color. I just wasn't happy with how it was coming out, so I'm not going to post that. But today, it ended up working fine for the photos that I took, and like the full body photos, it was fine. But some of the more up close work, I just wasn't satisfied. So this is going to be the first video that I actually post with this palette. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using most, if not all, of the colors today, and let's just get started because I have been talking quite long enough. So first I'm going to be going in with the shade Sunflower, and this is a nice matte orangish yellow color, and I'm placing this above the crease. Next I'm going in with the shade Cottage, and this is essentially a terracotta. It's a reddish orange shade, and I'm placing that above the crease as well, more on the middle towards the outer section above the crease. Next I'm going in with the shade Cypress, and this is a matte green shade, and I'm basically kind of winging this out. I'm pulling it out and bringing it a bit in on the lid as well. And there was a lot of back and forth with this. It was a challenge to get the shape even on both sides. So yeah, I'm gonna keep most of that footage in to show the back and forth, but yeah, I was happy with the final result of the shape. And now I'm going in with the shade Blossom, and this is a grayish blue shade, and I'm placing this all over the lid. Now under the eye, I am going in with the shade Night, which is a matte dark blue shade. Now I'm taking the shade, I think it's called Auvert, and it is a matte, kind of grayish brown, I suppose a dark taupe. And I'm placing this in the outer third section below the eye, and I'm connecting it to the upper section as well. And now I'm going in with the shade Irises, and I'm placing that again on the bottom, but more towards the inner corner. And it's a shimmery light purple. It has a bit of a, I would say, silver or gray effect to it. And now for the actual inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the shade Starlight, which is a shimmery golden yellow color. And now I'm going in with the Haus Labs Identify pencil in the shade Grime, which is a matte green color. And now I am just curling my lashes, and then as usual, I didn't show the container for some reason this time, but it's the usual Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Shady Biz. Again, as always, placing it on the cheeks, around the nose, hairline. And now I'm going in with the Double Down Cosmetics highlighter, which is in collaboration with Medea J, and it is in the shade The Light. And I just kept packing this on and on because I really, really love this shade. And now I'm going in with the Musee Beauty Impressionism Lip Sketch in the shade Pissarro. All over that with the Musee Beauty Lip Glaze in the shade Saison to finish off the look. This is the completed look. I am much happier with this look than I was with the first look that I created. I did just want to say though that I don't think I mentioned it earlier. It wasn't that there was a problem with the palette at all with the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows perform really, really well and they blend beautifully, and I think they create that perfect, they blend so much that it does create that like impressionistic effect of artwork. It was just me. I did some graphic liner work and I'm not great at that. I want to practice at it and get better, but it's not at all my forte. And then also I just pulled the shadow down too far, and I'm just, on my face, I don't like how that looks. Like, I definitely like doing some color below, but like basically only bringing it to the level that I did today. But yeah, I really, really love this. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear yet, but I definitely want to make sure that in the photos, like the eyes and my face are more focal. Anyway, in the video that I filmed that I'm not going to post, I did also mention that I think that it's now more important than ever that we support small businesses. And Musee Beauty is a small Black-owned beauty business based in Texas. All of their products are cruelty-free and vegan. The highlighter that I used is Double Down Cosmetics The Light. It is one of my favorite brands. They are also Black-owned. They are a small business. And now, more than corporations, these small businesses need your money. Corporations are not, I mean, some of them are suffering. However, I think that it's important that we support community and that we see that it's more than a brand often with these small brands. Double Down Cosmetics is a perfect example. They give back to the domestic violence community, survivors of the domestic violence community. So often they go into the community and do works, and Kristen of Double Down Cosmetics herself is a survivor. So in supporting these small businesses, we are supporting something much bigger than just giving your money to something. So with that said, I am going to go put together my look and take some photos and put them at the end. So if you like this video and you like the kinds of makeup looks that I do, then please like, comment, subscribe. And also one more thing. I did a call recently with Kristen of Double Down, and this is the lighting setup that I had then, and basically it's just my ring light, but I also have my overhead light, and she said that she saw me much better. So leave a comment below if you think that the quality of this video and the lighting is superior to what I've been posting. So yeah, that is all for now. So until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.